Men, and I use the term loosely. This bike has got a kind of a long, sad story. But at any rate, the bottom line is that it is for sale on eBay right now. I'll post the eBay link in the description down below. I'm selling it for the owner. Uh, whatever the proceeds are going back to the owner. I'm not going to make any money off of this personally for the sale of this. What I could tell you about the bike is this. It originally started out as a 72. Right now, it has a Paughco frame. I believe it's a Paughco frame. I'm not 100% sure of that, but I believe it's a Paughco frame. It's got a 72 VIN welded to it off of the original 72 chassis. And apparently, the original chassis was wrecked a long time ago. Right now, it's got a 1979 engine in it. I rebuilt the engine. I did not build the chassis. So the engine you could blame on me, the chassis you could blame on somebody else. So I could tell you the engine is completely rebuilt. Got good tires. It's got a new battery in it. It's got a 1.4 kilowatt all balls electric starter in it. Everything in the engine is pretty much new. Everything in the trans is pretty much new. It's got a cycle electric built in regulator generator. So you know that's good. There is a new rear brake master cylinder. The brakes look like performance machine. They look pretty new. The wheels look like they were replaced at some point in time. Looks like new wheels. Looks like new discs on it. So yeah, the accessory parts, the hangy down parts, as my old buddy Justin used to call them, all look pretty new. S&S carb on it. The exhaust is as loud as it looks like it would be. It's pretty loud. It starts easy and it runs good. Keep in mind, this is not a beginner's motorcycle. This is about as raw as they come. If you're interested and you want to start thinking about shipping, the bike is located north of Fort Worth. So check it out on eBay. Link in the description below. It's got about 2 or 3 days left on the auction. I just thought I'd put this out there in case any of you all were interested in something like this. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye. And now, 2 words from our sponsor.
Super clean.
Ooh, nice.